So hey guys, I'm here in Magic Kingdom today, and I'm going to teach you guys how to stay cool here. There's lots of tips and lots of tricks, and I'm going to teach you all in this video right here. Because we all know it's forever summer in Florida, and it's going to be another hot day today. So I'm going to teach you guys all the perfect ways to stay cool and have the most fun here at MK. Your first stop should definitely be the Emporium. Let's go on in and I'll show you guys why. So you come to Emporium, you get yourself a misting fan. They also have these other fans down here. You can clip onto your strollers, guys. And you also need to get yourself a cooling towel too. You get a cooling towel, it's gonna keep you extra cool, along with the spray bottle that you can refill up at any of the quick service restaurants with some free water. And then you continue through the rest of Emporium. The whole entire store goes all the way up, all the way to into Casey's too. That way you guys can avoid all of the heat and sometimes the congestion on Main Street. So just do yourself a favor and walk through Emporium. It's so much more fun that way. So we're gonna go cruise a bit more, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the other cool places that you can go to stay cool. Headed into the Haunted Mansion because it's all air conditioned in there. There's a whole little overhang that'll keep you nice and cool too.
Practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
Nice and cool in here. Jack Skellington's on the book right down there below. Well, it was nice and cool in there the whole time, so that was kind of awesome in its own way. But I'm gonna cruise to the next one and I'm gonna show you guys how to stay cool. That's the secret to it. Is like you literally have to go somewhere that's inside, and then you have to go somewhere that's possibly outside, or another one that's inside. Because if you keep doing it over and over again, you're gonna stay cool. You're not gonna get too overheated. And you make sure you always have some water with you too, because that's the other way to stay cool and hydrated here, and yeah, awesome that way. I love it. The bears are on outside to welcome you into the show, which is also, guys, another way to stay really cool and see a cool show. Let's go have a very good time. After the bear show, back out in the sun we are, but that doesn't mean we can go find another place to stay cool because we're already on our way there. The Pirates of the Caribbean, our matey. Into the queue of pirates we go, guys. Nice and cool in here, air conditioned throughout the ride. You know it's cool when they're storing a bunch of rum in here. Look at the rum barrels.
What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egglet.
Not yesterday, golden eggs.
Hey there, you little twat.
Quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boys?
Well, that was a nice, awesome, cool little way to cool off. Got a little bit of splash in there from the water, but that's only the light splash. The next splash, we're gonna go over and ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure because everybody loves himself a long flume. You get super, super wet on there too, so it's the perfect way to cool off here at MK. Before Tiana's, we stopped at Pecos Bell. We're gonna go get some water, so let's head on in. He's filling us up some water. Love that. Just like that, we got 2 cups of water, guys. Stay cool, stay hydrated. A great way to get wet. Let's go.
So we're gonna walk.
Get wet!
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here, and they are cooking.
Zombie mama. We got wet. And of course, we're back out in the sun after that awesome ride on Tiana's. It was nice and cool. Got a little bit splashed. My shirt got a little bit wet. Nothing like too crazy on this one, which was kind of cool. But it's definitely another good way to cool off on these forever summer days here at Magic Kingdom. Another good way to cool off and get an ice cream bar. We totally are. Frozen banana. You so know we got him frozen banana. Let's bite that chocolatey frozen banana goodness. You guys have no idea how excited I am for this. Another really awesome way to stay cool here, guys, Philharmonic. Philharmonic is freaking awesome. Such a cool show. Let's head on in. Already feeling the coolness and the music notes, guys. Well, you really can't go wrong with the Philharmonic. It's so awesome. It's just a fun show in general. And you can't go wrong with Donald getting his craziness. And it's also, like I said, a very cool way to cool off. There's lots of other ways to cool off here. Basically, like, do something indoors, do something outdoors. Or save all the outdoor stuff until nighttime anyway. Especially Tron. Tron is like totally the best at night. If you're looking for something more speedy, you can always do Space Mountain. Space Mountain is inside too. And then, you know, you got the Buzz Lightyear Astro Blaster. This is another awesome indoor attraction. And then, you know, also you can't go wrong with the Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor, which is another super fun show that you really can't go wrong with as well. Because there's so many other things, like literally just keep going, like indoors, outdoors, or if it's just crazy hot, you know, try to keep it indoors as much as you possibly can. I showed you guys a few little ways to do that here today. So choose your own path and you come here today, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what other random awesome things I might film for you.